to discover the fine line that separates an ordinary stitch from a professional work of art? This is where centimeters lose their rule, and the silent power of millimetric discipline and flawless engineering begins. We are completely eliminating the margin for error. On delicate fabrics, the ultimate test of sewing is those needle-thin edges and the razor-sharp corners that challenge almost everyone. Today, I'm showing you how to turn those difficult, sharp, and pristine corner turns into a true sartorial signature. The real magic lies in those few golden touches that transform craft into art. But today, I'm sharing my deepest secret, my own signature, 2 perfect parallel lines, with exactly 1 millimeter of space between them. This isn't just a technique, it's a character rising from the fabric, the most elegant seal of true craftsmanship. Witnessing the razor-sharp, millimetric, and smooth form of these edges will give you the true pleasure of perfection. This methodology will elevate your workmanship from ordinary to the highest level of tailoring. Remember, true mastery is perfecting the smallest detail that no one else even looks at. I wish you that same grace and care in every stitch you make. If these techniques and my special double stitch touch inspired you, don't forget to like the video to celebrate this beauty. Which fabric is the hardest for you to turn corners on? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's grow our passion for sewing together. Thank you for being with me on this journey. To make sure you don't miss new techniques, please subscribe to my channel and share this with your fellow sewing lovers. May your inspiration be endless and your needle always stay sharp. Enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Stay with love.